Hello everyone! In this video, you will learn how to earn using your assets in your wallet on the Binance exchange. So let's start. As you know, 2024 is expected to bring the bull season with the Bitcoin halving period. Until then, you can earn money using the balances in your wallet. For this, let's log into the Binance exchange. Next, go to the Finance tab and click Earn. Here, you can earn profit by staking your assets. As you can see, we are in the popular investments section. The column here shows the annual percentage rate, APR, of the projects. The APR rate can increase or decrease depending on how we choose to invest. The longer you stake your crypto assets, the higher the APR will be. If you don't want to lock your assets, you can choose the flexible investment option. However, for projects like Ethereum, the staking programs offer fixed rates. Besides popular projects, you can also choose specific infrastructures by changing the menus above. All these options are within the protected program, and APR rates are lower. If you want to make investments with high returns, you can use the high-yield menu for this purpose, but be extremely careful as the assets in this menu involve significant risks. I advise beginners not to choose this menu as it is risky. Now, let's make an investment using the standard option and see what happens. Choose the protected menu, then go to the My Available Assets section, where you can see the assets in your wallet. If you want to choose a different crypto, you can use the search button in the top right corner. I will invest in Algo. I can see that the APR rate is low in the flexible program. When I chose the 30-day program, the APR rate changed. For the 60-day program and the 90-day program, I noticed that the participation limit is full. But I can use the 120-day investment program. I want to try the 120-day program. Yeah, I entered 100 Algo here, and on the right side, I see that my estimated earnings will be 2.1 Algo. You can review the time intervals in the upper right corner. I accept to lock 100 Algo for 120 days and confirm the investment. Yes, the transaction is successful. Now let's view it. You can see the process I did in detail here. Scroll to the right and you will see the option, Redeem Earlier. By clicking on this, you can withdraw your deposited asset. However, keep in mind that canceling this will also cancel the interest you have earned. I am clicking on this option and canceling my stake. According to the estimated time, my asset will be transferred back to my wallet. Yeah, now you know how to use the Earn section. Finally, there are various Earn options at the top. Let's take a look at the Simple Earn option. In this option, you will see real-time APR rates. Let's select one of the projects marked with Hot. As you can see, APR rates can vary depending on different conditions. When you enable the auto subscription, your assets will automatically join these investment programs. BNB Vault allows you to earn by staking BNB. If you wish, you can stake BNB from this section and withdraw your deposited BNB using this option. In the Earn section, there are many investment options available. You can choose any of them according to your investment preferences. Depending on the projects you trust, you can put your assets to work. You can even choose to invest in only USDT. The decision is yours. I have explained the Binance Earn option in this video. I hope you liked it. If you want more videos like this, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.